So we're going to start out today with a sound that some of you already know, but a few of you haven't learned yet. So listen really closely. I'm going to say 3 words, and I want you to be thinking what sound you hear in all of them. You'll repeat the word after me. Okay, so the first word, pout.
Pout.
Out.
Out.
And about.
About.
Okay, tell me the sound on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Ow.
Ow. Say ow.
Ow.
Ow. So the sound that we are working on today is ow, and point it if you know it. See Ramon's fingers pointing right here. The letters that say ow are O and U. Say ow. So
Or
spell
round
it
count.
with your hands. Hands up. O and U says ow. Like shout it out. Say shout it out.
Shout it out.
So a lot of our words are going to say ow today. We'll start right here. Remember, you can use the sentence as a clue to what the word will be, and then the letters will help you figure it out also. Okay, so eyes over here, don't read it until I swipe under it. Here we go. The music was so
Loud.
it hurt my ears. Wow, you guys read that right away. How do you know it was loud, Ramon?
Because I see the L-O-U.
Oh, and so L-O-U says loud. What else did you see, Maria?
I see
The D at the end. So that's important because you know that the last sound will be
D.
Okay, so now let's read it in slow-mo. Here we go.
Loud.
Very good. Next one. It was so crowded that I had to
Shout.
so that my friend could hear me. How do you know it's shout, Anna?
Because there's an ow.
An ow. How do you spell that? What part says ow?
O-N-U.
O-N-U. Ow. Right in the middle. Let someone else answer. Jose? Shh. How do you spell that?
Sherry.
S-H. Oh, good. And then the last sound, Xavier?
T.
T, which says
Okay,
so let's read it in slow-mo. 1, eyes, 2, 3.
Shout.
Wonderful. And then the last one, this one I noticed 2 chunks. So be thinking about what those 2 chunks are. Okay, my favorite thing, eyes on me. My favorite thing to do is go play
Outside.
outside. Wow, you guys read that so quickly, and that's a really hard word. How do you know it's outside, Norelli? Ow. Good. And why is that important? It's the
First sound.
good. Ow was the very first sound.
I said out, like out.
Out. Good. So you can read that whole chunk. It says
Like
out.
out.
Wonderful. What else, Maria?
I see.
Excellent. Ramon?
I see the I-dashy.
Ooh, I-dashy, which says
Ow.
I like. Oh, it's covered up, but it's in a
Wild
crocodile.
crocodile.
So the last sound that helps us know this?
And.
A what? It goes in the dash. Okay, now let's read it in slow-mo. 1, 2, 3.
Outside.
Word?
Outside.
Okay, now we're going to go back up and review sounds that you've already learned, just to make sure we remember them. Sound.
Ow.
This is one from yesterday. Sound.
R.
Sound.
E.
Sound.
E.
Sound.
R.
Sound. Sound.
I.
Sound. Sound.
A.
Sound. Good, Ramon. Good way to remember it. Sound.
O.
Like phone.
Ho.
And last one. Sound. Okay. Nice job. We've checked off 2 parts of our word work. So next, we're going to take a look at some review words with sounds that we've already learned. So think about what makes sense and be thinking about, do the letters prove what you are saying? Okay, here we go. This word right here. Don't say it till I swipe. We decided to go fishing in the
Lake.
Ooh, how did you know it was lake, Xavier?
I know it's lake because A-E is
Nice.
A.
A, you found the long vowel. Norelli?
And the K.
The K, good. So
Like bacon. Like bacon.
It goes in the dash, so that's the consonant, A-E. The K is in the dash. Ramon had the same thing, like bake
Cake.
a cake. And then what's one of the most important sounds there that we haven't talked about, Hector?
L-A.
L. Well, we talked about L. That means it starts with O. So let's read it again. 1, 2, 3. Wonderful. Next one. Ooh. I never want to go swimming with a
Shark.
Okay, how do you know it's shark, Maria?
Because I see.
Shh, excellent. And that's what part of the word is that, everyone?
R.
It's at the beginning. High five, Jose. It's the first sound, so you know it will start with.
I know what that word is.
That is not what I asked. You need to answer the questions I'm asking. Okay, what else do you see, Xavier?
I see S-H-A-R.
Ooh, so what do those say together? Shh.
R.
So that's the one we learned yesterday. A-R says
R.
R, like shark.
Because it's a K.
K. What sound is that? And what part of the word is it?
Kangaroo.
What part of the word is it?
At the end.
The end. It's the last sound. So read it in slow-mo.
Shark.
Word?
Shark.
Okay, and the next one. Ooh, before we even read it, there's something so important that I notice. I wonder if someone else notices it. I see Norelli does. So does Ramon. What do you notice that makes it easier to read, Maria?
I know that is sweet.
Well, no, I'm just asking, what chunk do you see that's super important?
I-N-G.
ING, which says
Ing.
ing. So we know no matter what the word is, it'll end with ing. Xavier thought the same thing. Okay, here we go. I was walking when my friend went
Zooming.
past me. Zooming past me. How do you know it's zooming, Norelli?
Actually, I said S.
Ooh, good. Oh, like zoom to the
Moon. Because it has a Z.
a Z. So the first sound will be,
Candy.
which is, and then what else?
Z-O-O-M says zoom.
Nice. So Xavier, I'm so impressed with what you just did. You read a whole chunk of the word, zoom. And then all that you have to do after that is ing. So it's zoom, ing. You just broke it into 2 big chunks and it made it so easy to read. So one more time.
Zooming.
Nice job. Last one, we're reading our little miniature story on the bottom with picture clues and sight words that you know. So before you read it, remember, I want you to think what makes sense and how do you know that's what it says. So reread it for fluency. Think about the second. I see some people reading it 2 or 3 times for fluency. Okay, now you're going to take turns. The person with the short hair read it first and long hair read it second. Go ahead.
The snake smells and the grass.
Your turn. Did you get a turn? Okay. So on 3, let's read it together like you're telling a story. Eyes up. 1, 2, and 3.
The snake found a mouse in the grass.
Nice job. You guys are amazing. So I'm going to do by myself turns. When you've had one, you can quietly go line up at the door. And even if your friend is standing behind you, I want you to please silently wait for us. Okay, so here we go. Think. Ramon.
Loud.
Nice job. R for Ramon. Think. Xavier.
Shark.
Nice job. X for Xavier. Think. Jose.
Snake.
Nice. J for Jose. Okay. Think. Maria.
Shot.
Not shot. Remember, O-U says ow. So try again.
Shout.
Shout. Nice job. And for Maria, think. Norelli.
Zooming.
Nice job. And for Pirelli. Think. Hector?